वेलकम टू माई चैनल चिल्ड्रन। आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे बर्ड्स नेम। दिस इज अ पिजन, दिस इज अ क्रो, दिस इज अ पीकॉक, दिस इज अ owl, this is a duck, this is a penguin, this is a parrot, this is a falcon, this is a ostrich, this is a rooster, this is a eagle, this is a hen, this is a sparrow, this is a woodpecker, this is a hummingbird, this is a swan, this is a dove, this is a nightingale, this is a quail, this is a kite, this is a robin, this is a crane. And subscribe my channel children. Thank you.